Hi guys, just trying out a simple engine mount and some gears that I've just printed. This isn't the final chassis, this is still that temporary one. Just see if I can get a couple of wires on there. Yeah, that ought to do. Something like that. I found one of my old files or designs that had got a hole exactly the right size for these, I think they're 150 motors. So I used the hole and put it in a new little block. So that's just a hard push fit in there. Obviously if the motor gets hot, then it will start slopping around because it will soften up the PLA. And the gears are just standard gears out of the Tinkercad files, adjusted for size. I think I've gone something like 12 teeth and 36 teeth at the moment. I've actually made them a little bit loose on the shaft, you may have noticed. Yeah. But again, this is just the test to get the positioning right. So, yeah, that's another step forward. Need to finish off the steering. I'll be using bits from one of my other designs, just modifying the size slightly to fit in there. And we really ought to leave a bit of space for a battery to go out in the middle. We only need a little one like this, a 2S would be plenty. And obviously the receiver and the ESC and the servo. But we've got quite a bit of room around the side here. So I don't think we're pushed for space. I was tempted to actually mount that on the other side, right at the very back. So we got all this space. All I need to do is put a flat tray there and we can fit everything in easily. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.